Well, good afternoon, evening to you now. I guess as we look at those scattered light rain showers southwest of Wichita, moving down into Oklahoma, and the cloud cover moving southeast as well. A little bit of those thin clouds have been in our western horizon, but that's been about it. Taking a look in central Topeka, lots of green grass, blue skies, beautiful weather out there with low humidity. Look how clear the visibility is across Manhattan, out over toward Pottawatomie County as well. In Geary County right now we do have a south breeze and sunny weather, warm temperatures. It is comfortable in the low 80s. Obviously if you're out in the sun, we don't have a whole lot of wind out there on all areas, but there's been a light south breeze. Where there's been that breeze, not currently registered at Billett Airport, that helps with a temperature of 82, but also what helps is a dew point, which is all the way down to 50. That is a far cry from the humidity levels we typically see this time of year and will see by this weekend. 84 degrees right now in Manhattan, 83 at Junction City, Seneca, and Hiawatha, 83 at Linden. We do have south breezes for most of the area, stronger over the western half at about 7 to 13 miles per hour. Just a light south breeze for now, but that gradual and persistent south wind will pick up. It'll start to draw in some humidity. Right now it's pretty dry, dew points area-wide in the 50s, and until it's up to about 60, we don't even put a coloring on the map because it's just really not that humid for where we normally see. Now tomorrow we start to inch upward and we do get closer to that 60-degree level, so we'll call it moderate humidity for tomorrow. But as we look ahead on future track, the big thing for the next several days is the increasing heat and humidity. And so with that, here comes a little bit of that showing up by tomorrow afternoon. Central and southeastern areas will likely see moderate humidity. Could be a little bit humid over the western half of the area by tomorrow late. And then watch as this builds in on Saturday. From west to east, it expands and starts to deepen so that by the Saturday afternoon, early evening, muggy weather in place for the central counties. And that continues, although we may get a little reprieve early Sunday. It's going to stick around for the weekend. With higher humidity, muggy, buggy kind of weather as we head into the weekend, we do expect to see a little bit more in the way of mosquito activity as the humidity levels rise. Typically the activity does as well. Tonight, not too bad though, picking up over the next couple of days on the skeeter meter. We do have some clouds to the south and some up to the north. There's a front that stalled out over the southern part of South Dakota and northern Iowa, and then some showers and storms over the mountains. This front has kind of been meandering up north. Will find itself more in our area by early next week, and that'll give us a chance for some scattered storms. For tomorrow, gorgeous weather, 59 in the morning, about 86 in the afternoon, and 81 by tomorrow evening. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Again, what doesn't just jump out on here is how much hotter it will feel. One of the things you'll notice, though, is after several nights in the 50s and one more to enjoy early tomorrow morning, worth getting up early for that, 59, 86 for the high, but it's those highs in the low 90s that will feel more like 95 to 98 with the heat index. Strong breezes and warm nights, just much more of a summer feel this weekend. And as that front drops in Tuesday or Wednesday of next week, could see a few scattered thunderstorms. We'll keep an eye on that, but that is still about 5 or 6 days out. Enjoy tomorrow before the heat and humidity make a return. Had a gorgeous morning this morning with the clouds up overhead from Nikki Erickson. A nice view of the sunrise there. Up north near Holton at Banner Creek Reservoir from Rex Cameron. Nice reflection off the lake there as well. That always helps. It always makes it like it's so nice. It's twice as nice because you get it on the sky and reflected on the water there.